This here is the Super Meteor 650, a flagship cruiser from the house of Royal Enfield. But this is the all-new Bullet 650, a straight-up icon. दोनों में ही आपको मिल जाता है कंपनी का 648cc का parallel twin engine, which will be the primary reason of why you are buying one of these. But which one is better for you? आइए देखते हैं. Now the Super Meteor is a pure cruiser, जिसमें आपको आगे मिल जाता है 19 इंच का अलॉय व्हील और रियर में देखने को मिलता है 16 इंच का अलॉय व्हील. इट ऑल्सो हैज अ लोअर ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस देन द बुलेट और सीट हाइट भी बहुत ज्यादा एक्सेसिबल है at 740 mm. एंड द बुलेट ऑन द अदर हैंड इज अ स्टैंडर्ड मोटरसाइकिल जिसको डिजाइन किया गया था विद यूटिलिटी एज प्रायोरिटी, जिसका मतलब है कि सिलुएट तो वही है बट आगे आपको मिल रहा है वाइड स्पोक व्हील ऑफ 19 इंच एंड एट द रियर द साइज इज 18 इंच, जो इस गाड़ी को देता है बेटर ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस, बेटर राइडेबिलिटी और सीट हाइट यहां पर है ऑफ 800 mm, so that is also very accessible to a wide range of riders. But apart from the relaxed and laid back seating position in the Super Meteor, Bullet का highlight है इसका neutral riding position, जिसपे बैठते ही आपको इसका जो 243 kg का weight है, which is by the way higher than the Super Meteor, बिल्कुल भी ज्यादा महसूस नहीं होता है. In fact, this bike feels more nimble in town on the streets. But will practicality be the driving factor behind you buying one of these big and expensive bikes? Not really, because it is going to be much more of an aspirational choice और usability कहीं दूसरे नंबर पर आएगी. And if it were left up to me, I would choose the Bullet 650 over the Super Meteor क्योंकि ये एक proper cruiser है, but this one is a true dream machine. And that is because इस मोटरसाइकिल में आपको मिलता है एक period correct design, ये gold finished ornaments on the fuel tank, the stripe lines in the paintwork and a lot of chrome in the right places. Analog speedometer के साथ आपको एक digital display मिल जाता है which gives you a lot of important riding information such as your fuel level and the gear position indicator as well. The thick and sculpted seat here is designed to remind you of the original Bullet, but it is when you swing a leg over the motorcycle and grab onto the handlebars is when something in you clicks. और ये जो commanding position Bullet 650 आपको देता है, उससे आपको एक sense of pride and prestige महसूस करने को मिलता है. The same thing that our fathers and grandfathers used to tell us about. हमारी generation में इसी चीज को बोलते हैं aura. Yes, both the bikes that I am talking about produce 47 PS and 52.3 Newton meters of torque, but that is not the point. Because when you look at the Super Meteor, you look at a cruiser that can be mistaken for a knockoff of an American motorcycle. But with the Bullet 650, there is no doubt about it. The iconic silhouette and the presence of this bike is known across the nation and is a conversation starter in itself. और अब आ जाते हैं यूजेबिलिटी की बात पे. डिस्पाइट बीइंग द हेवियर बाइक अमंग द टू, द बुलेट 650 फील्स मोर निम्बल एंड इजियर टू मैन्यूवर इन ट्रैफिक, और उसकी मेजर वजह है दैट यू सिट ऑन द बाइक एंड नॉट इन इट लाइक यू डू विद द सुपर मीटियोर. सबसे मेजर बेनिफिट इस बात का आ जाता है इन द कंफर्ट डिपार्टमेंट, बिकॉज द बुलेट 650 सस्पेंशन सेटअप फील्स अ लॉट बेटर व्हेन यू कंपेयर इट टू द सुपर मीटियोर. Factors such as larger wheels, a well-cushioned seat, and a neutral riding position lead to reduced stress and fatigue when riding the Bullet 650. वहीं पर Super Meteor की अगर बात करें हम, that feels a lot more uncomfortable and rigid over bad patches, speed breakers, and potholes. Now, while the suspension travel on both the bikes is similar, ये factors lead करते हैं for a more cushioned ride on the Bullet 650 when compared to the cruiser Super Meteor. जहां पर this bike cushions you well against the jerks, in the Super Meteor you will feel all those undulations and jerks coming to the lower back of your body, and that is not a good feeling to have at all. And that forces you to take it slow and careful. And bhuliyega mat, the factors that I just discussed also work well in favor for your pillion rider. अब देखिए, if you are someone who likes to plan long tours on their motorcycles, then also the Bullet 650 is the better choice here because of its traditional design and upright stance. और साथ में आपको यहाँ पर टेल एंड पे देखने को मिलेगा that it is going to be a lot more easier to mount pannier bags here when you compare it to the low slung cruiser that is in comparison in this video. But in the Super Meteor's defense, there are some things that it does much better than the Bullet. For starters, इसमें आपको मिलता है heel to toe shifter as opposed to the toe only shifter which is available on the Bullet 650. अब ये heel to toe shifter से क्या होता है that ट्रैफिक में इस बाइक को चलाना काफी ज्यादा इजी हो जाता है और इंटुइटिव भी। वहीं पे Bullet 650 का toe only shifter थोड़ा cumbersome लगता है to use and when you have the experience of the Super Meteor वो चीज आपको स्टैंड आउट जरूर करेगी। सेकेंडली, सुपर मीटियोर में आपको मिलता है एक लार्ज 15.7 लीटर का फ्यूल टैंक। वहीं पे बुलेट 650 में द फ्यूल टैंक कैपेसिटी इज लोअर एट 14.8 लीटर्स। एंड द बिगेस्ट डिफरेंस दैट यू विल सी बिटवीन बोथ दीज बाइक्स is the difference in the wheels. जहां पर सुपर मीटियोर देता है आपको alloy wheels with tubeless tires, वहीं पर बुलेट 650 में आपको मिलते हैं spoked wheels with tube tires. अब देखिए, for a motorcycle that weighs 241 to 243 kgs, अगर आपका पंचर हो जाता है then finding a mechanic who is ready and knows how to work on these bikes is going to be a task in itself and is no easy job. So with that, allow me to conclude on a fairly simple point. If you are looking for a cruiser motorcycle that gets all the goodies and is suitable for your occasional weekend rides, then the Super Meteor will do just fine. However, if you are looking for a solid retro bike with the right name, the right design, and a perfect mix of usability, then the Bullet 650 makes for a better choice. And with that, I leave you to tell me what you thought about both of these bikes in the comments section. Do not forget to like this video and also share it with your friends. और meanwhile, मैं चला थोड़ी और फार्मिंग करने।